Hey there, green thumbs! Have you ever thought about turning your garden into a powerhouse of natural remedies? Today I'm diving into the wonders of the Medicinal Garden Kit and sharing the best medicinal plants to grow right at home. First up, let's talk about one of my personal favorites, aloe vera. This plant is a must-have. It's great for soothing burns, healing cuts, and even moisturizing your skin. Just snip off a leaf and you're good to go. Next on the list is lavender. Not only does it smell divine, but it's also fantastic for reducing stress and anxiety. You can use it in teas, make essential oils, or even just crush a few leaves and inhale the calming scent. Now, if you're into teas, chamomile is your best friend. This humble plant helps with sleep, digestion, and even inflammation. Steep the flowers in hot water and you've got yourself a soothing cup of herbal tea. Another powerhouse plant is echinacea. Known for boosting the immune system, it's perfect for warding off colds and flu. Growing it is a breeze, and you can use both the flowers and roots. Let's not forget peppermint. This versatile herb is excellent for digestive issues and headaches. You can make tea, use it in cooking, or even just chew on the leaves for instant relief. If you're looking to spice things up, try growing turmeric. This golden root is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, perfect for adding to food or making your own health shots. And last but not least, calendula. Known for its healing properties, it's great for skin issues like rashes and wounds. You can make salves, oils, or even use the petals in a salad. The Medicinal Garden Kit made it super easy to get started. It came with seeds, soil, and detailed instructions that were a breeze to follow. Even if you're new to gardening, this kit sets you up for success. Imagine stepping out into your garden and picking fresh herbs to make your own remedies. It's not just about growing plants, it's about growing your health. So if you're ready to harness the healing power of nature, give the Medicinal Garden Kit a try. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!